Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to hide your replies on X. Open X on your phone and go to your profile picture at the top left and then tap your profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections. You want to enter replies section, find specific post and find specific reply that you want to hide. So next to it you have to tap three-dot button. It looks like this, and then you want to simply press a function that says hide reply. So reply is hidden, and also you can select whether you want to block that user, or you can simply select no option. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.